my box Chevy. There's a car that crashed in front of my house, goddamn. It's like ambulances, fire trucks, people everywhere. Four children got arrested. 4. So it's 2 o'clock in the morning, so they decided to drive and be retards to somebody being picked up. Put them back in the ambulance. See that car? Can you zoom in? You can't zoom in. Yeah, I can't. I don't think they're gonna let me get close to that car. But yeah, that car is fucked up. Somebody got knocked out over there. Classified information. Yeah, it's classified information. This is why you don't speed at 2 o'clock in the morning from police. Yeah, this is why we don't like black people. Now everyone's gonna think we're white. Oh wait, they saw you. Forgot. What? By the way, this is Multi-Psychotic. Go to my channel. It's Multi-Psychotic. Go to my channel. Oh, you covered up the crash. Oh well. You guys probably can't see it, but there's like a guy on the ground over there getting helped by paramedics. He got knocked the fuck out. He jumped out the car and he was trying to bail, but then there was a car right beside the car.
He hit a car, hit bail.
Yeah, on the bail he hit a car, so that was kind of a fail. Hopefully it didn't hit your car. That'd be funny. Gotta get a brand new car.
Go out in the morning, so keep really good.
Well, we're gonna wake up in like 3 hours.
Yeah. Giant game.
Gotta go to church.
Yeah, go to church.
Yeah. I know it's weak.
Get my phone back right now.
Huh?
How's the video coming right now?
I'll bring it in.
I'm texting someone, so start the video.
Fuck your couch.
Start the video.